Hello beauties, I hope y'all are doing well. So in my previous video, I showed how to make your own clip-in hair extensions, and I made these curly, wavy, soft clip-ins. So today I decided to show you guys 5 different hairstyles I wear my clip-ins. So if you want to know how to make your own clip-in hair extensions, I have a video on that. I'm gonna link it in the description and also at the end of this video so you can check it out after this one. So this is my braid pattern. I divided my hair in half, the front section and the back section. So the front braids go like this, it stops in the middle, and then my back braids I braid going up. And just today I did like a small braid also in the middle. After the front and the back braids, I have like a braid going across. So if you watched previous videos of mine, this is really my usual braid pattern, so that I can style my hair in ponytail and clip-ins. So I'm starting out with the first hairstyle. I'm just dividing my hair into 2 parts, and this is gonna be like the foundation for all the hairstyles that would follow after this. So I'm gonna put my hair in 2 sections, then do a twist on each side, and at the base of the twist I'm just gonna secure it with a small rubber band. And I'm just doing the same thing on the other side as well. And now I'm just gonna get my hair and prepare to start clipping the clip-ins onto my hair. I'm gonna start from the outside part of my hair and proceed to the base. So I'm just clipping it onto the hair and just putting the hair on top of each other until I reach the base, and then I'm gonna continue with it on the other side as well. So when I was done wrapping the clip-ins on both sides of my pigtail twists, I went ahead and tied on my braids that I had on elastic bands to give my pigtails a sort of elevated look. And this is the first look, my pigtail hairstyle. And from here I just took out 2 strands of the braids on the elastic hair tie I attached earlier with the braids to give it another sassy look. And then the next is just twisting the pigtails into pom-poms that I can wear with and without the braid fringe. So here I'm just removing the pom-poms. I'm keeping the pigtail foundation to create the next looks. So from here I can easily put my hair in a ponytail that I can wear with and without my braid fringe. And the braids on the pigtails already give me that elevated look, so I love it as is already. And I'm just adjusting it in place. And I am loving this look a lot. And then of course I can just twist my hair into a bun, and I'm removing some of the curls just to give myself a pretty nice finish as well.